Hello everybody, Clint Hughes here with MarineMax Clearwater, Florida. Today I'm going to take you on a walkthrough on the 2023 230 SPX Sea Ray. This particular boat has a Mercury 250 on it. And then it's also equipped with aft gray sea deck on the swim platform here. This one has a ski pole. Also nice back sun pad here that converts into an aft facing lounger. This just folds down nice and easy. And when you come down here too, also under the sun pad here, there's tons of storage underneath. Big storage compartment. As we make our way into the cockpit here, tons of aft seating on this particular boat. A cooler under the back aft seat there. More seating on this side. This one has a premium upgraded sound system with a subwoofer, multiple cup holders throughout this boat with LED lighting in them. This one also has a ski tower with a nice black canvas top. Dual captain chairs. Nice Simrad display here with all your gauges for your Mercury engine on it, digital. Fusion stereo system. And on the port side here, you have access to the head. And then we'll make our way up to the bow here. Additional cup holders down there with LED lighting, speakers on both sides, port and starboard. Storage compartments under both of these front seats. And then on the very bow here, you have your anchor locker. So that's a brief walkthrough on the 2023 SPX that we just got in. If you guys want to come on down and take a walk through yourself, there's a lot more we can go over and show you on this boat. Come see us. My name is Clint and I'm at MarineMax Clearwater. Thank you.